Good morning, and welcome to the National Energy Storage Summit. I'm Mike Witherell, the director of Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. All of us at Berkeley Lab have really been looking forward to this opportunity to exchange ideas across the energy storage landscape. Berkeley Lab's expertise in energy storage began well over half a century ago with Charles Tobias, the chemical engineer who came from Hungary to Berkeley and became the founding father of electrochemical engineering. Today, Berkeley scientists and engineers do research from discovery science to complete systems to accelerate the deployment of advanced battery technologies. These researchers take advantage of the expertise and superb facilities in nanoscience and engineering, materials imaging, and computational science that have been built here by the Department of Energy. We've established the Berkeley Lab Energy Storage Center as a way to harness the nearly 200 researchers from all disciplines who are working here on accelerating energy storage. I want to take a moment to thank the center's executive director, Noel Bakhtian, for organizing today's event. We have convened this gathering with a sense of urgency, given the enormous and imminent challenges of climate change, but also with great excitement. We all know that energy storage will occupy the critical role in decarbonizing key sectors of our economy. This will require an all-hands-on-deck approach to accelerating the cycle of developing, producing, and adopting new technologies at a massive scale. This symposium demonstrates the sense of commitment to addressing this challenge that is being shown by talented people from industry, universities, government, and national laboratories. The timing of this event is fortuitous. The bipartisan infrastructure law and the Energy Act of 2020 provide over $60 billion to the Department of Energy for clean energy demonstration and deployment, and triples the annual support for associated R&D. Here in California, the state government is committing unprecedented resources to remain a global leader in the deployment of new technologies and environmental protections, including a major initiative on the development of sustainable lithium extraction. Decarbonizing the economy is the right goal, but it is going to take a massive technical revolution accomplished at unprecedented speed. We need scientists, engineers, manufacturers, policy experts, market specialists, communicators, community leaders, and elected officials to work together in a more integrated way than we are used to doing. We've convened this summit with the hope and expectation of advancing that integration. We see it as an opportunity to greatly expand these conversations and to grow broader and deeper partnerships. I'm especially looking forward to today's fireside chat with Energy Secretary Granholm and General Motors CEO Mary Barra. Now I'd like to introduce today's two keynote speakers. The first is U.S. Senator Alex Padilla, a longtime California champion of clean energy and the climate, and an advocate for building a domestic energy storage infrastructure. He'll be followed by Dr. Sally Benson, the Deputy Director for Energy at the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy. OSTP's energy division is working to develop a national strategy to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050 and achieve the interim targets that will make that possible. And now let me invite Senator Padilla to the virtual stage. Enjoy the summit.
Hello, and welcome to the National Energy Storage Summit. I want to thank you for joining this conversation to jumpstart America's clean energy future. Right now, the climate crisis is presenting a generational challenge to cut emissions, upgrade our power grid, and innovate sustainable energy solutions. I've been advocating for a major focus on energy storage since my time in the California State Senate. Energy storage will be a critical component of reaching our renewable energy goals and combating the climate crisis. That's why I'm so proud to support the pioneering work conducted at Berkeley National Laboratory and the partnerships that will form out of this summit. Berkeley Lab scientists are leading the effort to advance energy resiliency, build innovative storage solutions, and support equity at the same time. I earned my degree in mechanical engineering from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, so I know firsthand the value of investing in our research institutions. As one of the few engineers in the U.S. Senate, I'm proud to champion STEM research. That's why I'm co-leading the Restore and Modernize Our National Labs Act to invest $30 billion in America's national labs. I hope you enjoy this summit, and I look forward to building a clean energy future together.
Greetings from the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy. We've seen remarkable progress in the development of clean energy technologies over the past decade. But with every new technology comes challenges. We need secure and diverse supply chains for critical energy technologies, including high-capacity batteries. From day one, President Biden recognized this not just as a challenge, but as an enormous opportunity for our country. During his first week in office, he issued an executive order calling for more resilient supply chains that are secure and diverse, facilitating greater domestic production, a range of supplies, built-in redundancies, adequate stockpiles, and a world-class American manufacturing base and workforce. But at the same time we are focused on deployment and securing our supply chains, we also need to keep innovating. Technologies that provide large-scale seasonal energy storage, circular economy for batteries, developing new storage chemistries that rely on earth-abundant materials are all needed to make sure that we can get to net zero, not just in America, but in the rest of the world. So keep it up, keep imagining the possibilities, keep innovating, we're counting on you. So congratulations to Berkeley Lab and the Energy Storage Center for helping to lead the charge on this important topic.